In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll move from a simple Google search to your Squarespace dashboard, open your site, go into Pages, and add a drop-down to organize your navigation. We'll finish with a quick look at permissions so you know where to manage access. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Squarespace. In the results, choose the official Squarespace link. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and gets you straight to the right place. Once the home page loads, look to the top corner for the profile icon. Click it and sign in if prompted. If you're new, you can create an account here. Otherwise, just use your existing login. If you use two-step verification, have your code ready so you can continue without interruption. After you're signed in, go to your account dashboard. This is your central hub where all your sites and services are listed. From here, select the website area. If you have more than one site, pick the one you want to work on so you open the correct editor. Inside the site editor, open the Pages panel. This is usually in the left sidebar and shows your navigation and any pages that aren't linked. It's the best place to organize your site's structure, adjust what appears in your menu, and keep things easy for visitors to find. Now, click the plus button to add something new. From the options that appear, choose the drop-down item. This creates a container in your navigation that can hold related pages together and display them as a menu when visitors hover or tap. Give your drop-down a clear name so people immediately understand what's inside. You'll see it appear in your navigation list and, when published, in your site's menu. At this point, your drop-down is ready to help streamline your menu and keep your top navigation clean. If you're collaborating with others or want to control who can make changes, open your site settings and head to the permissions area. This is where you can view and manage access for collaborators and adjust roles to match what people need to do. Keeping permissions tidy helps protect your design and content while still letting your team work efficiently. That's the whole flow. Start from Google, sign in via the profile icon, open your account dashboard, select website, go to Pages, add a drop-down with the plus button, and check permissions if you're working with a team. Pause the video if you need more time at any step. And when you're done, review your site in a new tab to confirm everything looks the way you expect.